The D-Day is finally here. The world's largest democracy, India, will find the results of the 18th general elections today. After months of election campaigning, extreme heat waves, tremendous support, PR stunts, allegations against EVMs, trolls, and politics, we will get the results today. Is it truly going to be ab ki baar 400 paar or samividan ka chunav? This was one of the most extensive elections which was held in 7 phases and conducted in 544 constituencies. Home voting was held for the first time. It started on 19th April and continued until June 1st. It of course was not without politics, drama and action. Out of the 969 million eligible voters, 18 million were first-time voters. India had set a world record with 64.2 crore voters, including 31.2 crore women. And coming to the results and predictions, several exit polls have predicted the victory of the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance, while the opposition leaders have rejected the exit polls. From calling it Modi media polls to saying that it was manufactured at home 2 months ago, different opinions have emerged since June 1st. But today, we get to know whether the prediction was correct. This result is also going to affect the stock market. On June 3rd, after the exit polls predicted the BJP's victory, Sensex opened at over 2,000 points higher in pre-market trade and reached a record level. It's going to be extremely interesting to see if the opposition India bloc's prediction stands true. 2009 was the last time that India saw a Congress-led government. It has been over a decade now, and Modi has also completed a decade now, almost preparing for a consecutive third term. But today, it's the people of India who will decide the verdict. Irrespective of who wins, this result is going to impact not only Indians but also world politics. What is your prediction about today's results? Who do you think will win the 2024 Lok Sabha elections? Let us know in the comments below, and like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.